Taking runs on the jeep, stealing silent night. Walking the wise, placing mince pies, halls on deck and bright. So we shower down sprats while everyone shouts, joy is all the rage. And with presents unwrapped, we relish the fact some things never change. Another perfect Christmas, so you'll see. Let another perfect Christmas begin.
2 meter gaps, NHS claps, and we're all wearing masks. Lockdowns agreed, bubbles are free, news that makes us gasp. So our loved ones are soothed, while others marooned. Ask why is this so strange? We're forced to adapt, to accept the fact something sometimes change. It's not a perfect Christmas, but we still sing. Let a not so perfect Christmas begin.
A one, two, three, four. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
How was that? Is that better?